Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to check the SNT Niva. The SNT Niva is a 1:43 scale 4-wheel drive micro RC car. It is based on the Lada Niva, therefore its name is Niva, and it is the latest model in Sniklo's off-road collection, which is based on the Y60, Wrangler and the recently released V65. While these three models, like all the models that were released by SNT so far, are 1:64 scale micro RC cars, the SNT Niva is the biggest model that Sniklo released so far, as it is a 1:43 scale model. The SNT Niva is available in three colors, so you can choose between red, black, which is the color that I've got, and white, and you can also choose between three combo packs. One only includes the car, the second one, the ready-to-run version, comes with a radio controller, and the FPV version comes with an all-in-one camera, which is identical to the cameras that are included with the other cars by Sniklo's. So it is using the same magnetic connector, which will enable you to easily attach the FPV camera to the car. It also comes with the radio controller, and FPV goggles are included as well. In terms of packaging, the basic version, which is the one that I've got, comes with the car, a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, which is used for charging the built-in battery using this USB Type-C port. It also comes with this small rock and the user manual. In terms of features and specs, the Niva features a 4-wheel drive system and a suspension system which, unlike the smaller cars, is not only based on springs but also based on 4 individual axles. Its wheelbase is 56 mm, the wheel spacing is 33 mm, the minimum ground clearance is 6 mm, the car's width is 43 mm, its length is 93 mm. The power button is located on the backside, so short pressing it is going to turn the RC car on, and short pressing it again is going to turn it off. Just like all the other cars by SNT, the Niva features a proportional steering system. It features automatic turning signals, and using the radio controller you can control the front and back and bottom lights. In addition, using the radio controller, you can also turn on or off the all-in-one FPV camera. The Niva weighs 93.9 grams without the all-in-one FPV camera and 99.7 grams including it. In comparison, the Wrangler weighs 39.6 grams, the V65 weighs 38.5 grams, and the Y60 weighs 38 grams. Here you can see the Niva without its plastic shell. On the front side you can find a servo that controls the steering. On the back side a brushed motor, which is bigger than the motor that is being used by the smaller micro RC cars. The board features JST connectors, so you can easily disconnect and connect all the parts, so it's going to be pretty easy to repair the micro RC car if needed. Over here you can find this JST connector, that next to it you can find the word Wi-Fi, because this car should be available in a Wi-Fi version as well. This plug is currently being used for connecting the analog FPV camera, and the Niva features a 400 mAh 1S LiPo battery, which according to Sniklo should provide you with more than 2 hours of working time when the all-in-one FPV camera is not in use, and about 45 minutes of driving time when using it. Overall, after testing it out, I can tell you that the SNT Niva is my favorite RC model by Sniklo so far. Its off-road capabilities are quite impressive considering its size, and it is much superior than the other models in the off-road series. In addition, the battery life is great, I really like its design, and it's relatively easy to fix the car and replace its parts. As for the downsides, the car is relatively slow, but it is still faster than the other cars in the off-road series. I think that it could have been better if Sniklo used a switch instead of this power button, and using metal parts instead of these plastic ones could have made the car more durable, but of course also more expensive. Now, by the way, I was asked if the wheels of the M58 Micro RC car, which I've recently reviewed, are compatible with the Niva, and unfortunately the answer is no, since using these wheels would require to use longer shafts. Anyway, now I'm going to wrap up this video with a compilation of videos of the car. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. I wish you all happy driving, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.